Hi folks, this is Dan Zorn, Superintendent of the Longview Public Schools with a special edition of Facebook Friday on Monday. Hopefully you got your ballot for our replacement levy in the mail this weekend. We just really encourage you to get out and vote on this important issue for the Longview schools. Again, it's a replacement levy that will allow us to continue to provide the services for our kids that we're presently providing. So just looking to maintain the programming that we presently offer within our school district. If you have any questions about the levy, you should have seen a flyer that looks like this. Probably came in the mail probably like Wednesday or Thursday of last week. If you have any questions on that flyer, don't hesitate to give us a call here at 360-5750-7016. Again, that's 360-575-7016. You can talk to me, or I can get you in touch with somebody up here in the office that could answer your questions also. We've had a few inquiries here today and just really appreciate the people that have called in with those questions. The email that I'm actually working on the response right now on that, and again, just really appreciate when people do come directly to us with the questions that they might have with that. So again, hope you got your ballots, and just encourage you to make sure that you vote. And thank you so much for your support of our school district and your interest in the things that we're doing. And just have a great day. Again, this is Dan Zorn, Superintendent of the Longview Public Schools, where literacy is the most important thing we do.